Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, we're going to do something that I wanted to do for a long time, but I never got to, should I say, to buy this damn product. But now I did, so I'm anxious to try it. The product is linseed oil. So I think it's going to be quite interesting. I know that it's used a lot for some antique wood. So I think it's very nice to use on wood. I think it's one of the nicest product out there. I know there's a lot of people who use it with acrylic, but the result is different from one person to another, depending on what kind of acrylic and what you put with it. So what we're going to do simply the linseed oil, meaning that we're only diluted our acrylic with water. Then we're going to put some oil, and we're going to see what happens. I think you should do some crackling on the canvas. So anyway, we'll see. We're going to try. Let's go.